Ganda, pang party-party. So, what's up guys? Summer here and welcome to another episode of Summer's Auto Marketing Channel. So, nandito na naman tayo sa new episode kung saan i-review natin ang isang sasakyan from MG. So, I am here now at MG Makati and for today's video, ang i-review natin ay ang MG ZS Automatic Style. So, samahan niyo akong reviewin to and let's go! So, guys, this is the MG ZS 1.5 liter automatic style 2024. Ang SRP niya is 898,888. So, ito yung design niya. So, as you can see guys, ang LED niya is naka-London Eye LED headlamps. Naka-London Eye daytime running lamps. Then, naka-projector headlamps siya. So, this is a halogen. So, as you can see, makikita nyo, dilaw siya. Then, you have fog lamps here. Yan. So, ito nga pala yung pang third sa variant ng ZS. Then, as you can see, you have a big emblem of MG with Stardust grills. So, kung makikita nyo to, you have 17-inch rims. Ang size naman ng gulong ay 215 by 50 rim 17. So, it is a one-tone alloy wheels. It is a one-tone alloy wheels with disc brakes. So, dito naman sa likod, ganun din, naka-disc brake din siya. Then, dito naman sa side turning lamps, you have the halogen turning lamps. Then, kapag in-unlock ko siya, so, pwede tayong pumasok. So, ito naman yung meter cluster niya. So, naka-analog style pa din siya. And then, it has a 12-inch analog style meter cluster. So, anong meron dito? It has a cruise control and then meron din tong tire pressure monitoring system. So, ayan. Then, punta naman tayo dito. So, naka 2-inch MP3 player lang siya with Bluetooth. So, yan. So, etong mga numbers na to, may designated station yan. And then, dito sa source, pwede tayong mamili ng music. So, ayan yung music niya. Naka-auto on sa akin. So, tingnan natin yung sounds. Ganda, pang party-party. Naka-auto on siya agad. So, tinry ko na kasi siya kanina. So, that's it. Tapos, dito naman sa kabilang dial, pwede kang mamili ng, halimbawa, ayan, naka-music. Pwedeng tremble, balance, loudness. Yan. So, yun. And then, ito naman yung air vent niya sa unahan. So, dalawa. Tapos, pwedeng ito, lagayan to ng cellphone. So, try nga natin. Pwede yan eh. So, see, nag-fit yung cellphone ko. So, pwedeng lagayan to. Pwede rin naman dito. So, ito naman yung manual for aircon. So, ayan. And then, you have 12 volt for 12 volt para another saksakan. Pwedeng naging USB yan. And then, ito naman yung shift knob niya, guys. So, this is a 4-speed automatic transmission with sports mode. So, etong S na to, nakikita nyo, yan yung sports mode niya. So, pwedeng, wow, naka-brake ako. Tapos, gagano ko siya. So, naka-sports mode. Pero pag drive, ganyan lang. Pag sports, ganon. Tapos, ayan. Pwedeng ganyan. Ayan. So, lahat ng plus, pag gusto mo plus, ganon. Pag minus, ganon. Baba. Pag plus, taas ka ng speed. Pag minus, bawas. So, ayan lang. And then, so yeah, ayan yung design. This is a leather. Tapos, ito naman ay plastic. So, may chrome siya dito. Tapos, aircon. So, yeah. So, naka-leather din pala to kahit ito ay pangatlo sa entry level ng MG ZS. So, ito ay parking brake. Manual parking brake. Tapos, you have 2 cup holders here. So, yeah. Tapos, may armrest din. Yeah. So, may light cabin din. Halogen din. Tapos, so yeah, walang vanity mirror. And then, dito naman, naka-chrome design. Tapos, lock and unlock. Tapos, ito yung kanyang switch pag i-adjust yung side mirrors. Tapos, ito naman yung niya, kung gusto natin na naka-high. Then, dito mo i-adjust yung cruise control. So, pag gusto mong cruise control, gagano mo lang siya. So, ayun. Nasa meter cluster, ito yung sign ng meter ng cruise control. So, ayan. Tapos, pag gusto mong mag-add, gano mo lang. Pag minus, ganan. Tapos, resume and off. So, ito naman, plastic. Pero ito, fabric. Naka-fabric siya, guys. Naka-fabric. With 2 cup holders sa ilalim. So, ito naman yung upuan. So, yan. Yan yung upuan niya. Leather with white stitch. So, yan. So, punta naman tayo sa second row. So, ito yung sample na upuan. Ganda. Simple lang. Pero, with the 898, tapos ganito kalaki yung headroom and legroom. Pwede na. Mas maganda pa nga to sa ibang crossover eh. Then, dito naman, so yeah, lagayin lang ng kung ano-ano. So, it has a 2 airbags nga pala plus 4 speakers. So, yan. Leather pa, 800 lang for leather. Tapos naka 17-inch rims na rin siya. So, ito naman yung likod ng MG ZS automatic style. So, ayan, as you can see, naka-LED tail lamps na siya. Then, ito yung bukasan niya. Nice, 'di ba? So, ganyan kalaki yung cargo niya. With tonneau cover. So, may cover siya plus set of tools plus spare tire. So, ito, pwede ring lagayan ng kung ano-ano. Yeah. Tapos, you have 3-eye sensor na rin. So, that's it guys, and I hope na may natutunan kayo sa ipinresent ko. If you have comments and suggestion, please hit the comment section para malaman ko kung ano pang pwedeng i-improve sa vlog ko. And then, dun nga pala sa mga clients na may CMAP or may credit card problems and nahatakan na sasakyan or Replibin, you can hit the numbers below or you can message me on my business Facebook page, which is Summers Auto Marketing. Pwede ko po kayong matulungan, guys. And then, we have trade-in services nga pala, plus second-hand car financing. So, if ever may problema kayo and hindi kayo makakuha ng brand new, you can call me through my number. Again, this is Summer and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!